Now wow, all in the name of fashion. See as I come dey play there. Now wow, how my women dey try you. Imagine some go dey play Brazilian 250,000, 150,000. A whole plot of land they go carry am put for head. See me, only hair wey I do 1,000. Headache dey worry me. I don use more than 2 sachets of paracetamol. Now wow, why I dey suffer myself sef? I come dey do well. Very soon now, I go dey pierce my ears. Is that not madness? Imagine God wan wicked me as I do hair now. Make one hard menstruation join my matter. I go come say God wicked. Wetin I even find go dey do this kind thing? Is this not madness? Is this not is this a style? Is this a lifestyle? No, I need to change. Which kind thing be this? See as I dey suffer my head, I just dey get headache. My head just dey vibrate we. Like say they dey first like say they dey set fire. Now wow, I no go try this thing again. I think I need to go might just go lose this hair. Abeg, might go lose this hair. I cannot continue like this. This is not a fashion. This is poor fashion.